This is a ballast train. Those rectangle silver boxes are solar panels, and they can remote control. We open these ballast doors on the bottom when they're dispersing the ballast. Main track number 2, westbound. You see us at Milepost 62 on that sign. It's got red paint on it. It's going to be probably right around 100 cars. Maybe not. Quite a bit shorter than that, actually. Nice train. Sweet. Ballast train. Moving that rock around. Hope you like what you see there. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. We're going hard for 8,000 subscribers. We really appreciate all your support. Couldn't do it without you. Man, that wind's blowing hard. We got a tropical storm coming in here. First time ever in Southern California. We're supposed to have 5 to 10 inches of rain in the next 24 hours. So I'm out here trying to get as much as I can when I can. And figured they'd be running a lot of trains through early, and that's exactly what they're doing. This is Cajon Wash right down there, and that's train came out of Sullivan's Curve. All right, hope you like what you see. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. We gonna catch you on the next one. Take care. Love you guys. All right, buddy, let's get out of here. Let's go home and get some good food, man. I've got enough food for a couple days, just in case we get locked in. Take care, guys. Cajon Pass, railroad fans, contributor shout outs. We want to thank all those contributors that keep us going strong. You know who you are. John Powell, Gert Bota, Danny Turner, Silence 7, Nancy Hodges, Large Gary, Tom Riccardi, Eddie LeVar, Michael Fox, Richard Eberly, Jay Geist, John Prang, Lyle Larson, Illinois Man, John Hansen, Sam Sanderson, Preet Buzz Aldrin, One Adventure 2, Roger Snare, and Jennifer Martin. Thanks for help keeping us going strong. We love you guys, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and watch a couple more.